How do I link my bank account to Apple Pay for withdrawals?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of linking your bank account to Apple Pay for withdrawals. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make this setup quickly and securely.
What is Apple Pay?
Apple Pay is a mobile payment and digital wallet service by Apple that lets users make payments using an iPhone, Apple Watch, or on the web. It is an easy, secure, and private way to pay.
What do you need?
Before starting, you'll need 1. An eligible device such as an iPhone or an Apple Watch. 2. An Apple ID signed in to iCloud. 3. The latest version of iOS, watchOS, or macOS. 4. A supported card from a participating card issuer. 5. To be in a supported country or region.
How to link your bank account to Apple Pay.
Now let's dive into the process of adding a bank account to your Apple Pay. Step 1. Open Wallet app. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus button. Step 2. Choose card type. You'll be prompted to choose a card type. Since we're linking a bank account, you'll need to choose Bank Account. Step 3. Enter details. Enter your bank account details carefully. These would include your routing number and account number. Step 4. Verification process. You'll need to go through a verification process that's decided by your bank. This could be a text message, email, or a call. Step 5. Completion. After successful verification, your bank account is now linked to Apple Pay and you can make withdrawals. That's it. Now you know how to link your bank account to Apple Pay. We hope this video was helpful and encourages you to take full advantage of the convenience that Apple Pay offers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.